I love awkward silences, said no one ever. Have you ever been at a conference or a networking event where after a few minutes of small talk, the conversation just sort of fizzles out? In this video, I'm going to teach you my #1 strategy for never running out of things to say. Coming right up. Shereese here, and welcome to the BU crew, where I help you build authentic connections to grow your network and grow your business. In this video, I'm going to share my #1 strategy for how to never run out of things to say, and that strategy is this: go treasure hunting. I don't mean go looking for literal treasure. Hey ho there. So, ye come here often? I'm talking about intangible treasures, those topics that make the person you're talking to completely light up. You know when you strike that perfect chord in the conversation where the person you're talking to starts getting really excited and talking really fast? Well, that's how you know that you have just struck gold. But how do you find that treasure in a systematic way? And how do you find topics that you actually also care about? Introducing the Ford method. Now, I have no idea who actually invented this method. I heard it in a course. They heard it in a video. They read it in a blog post. Basically, it's a game of telephone. But I love the technique because it helps you ask questions like a true treasure hunter. Now, Ford stands for F, family, O, occupation, R, recreation, and D, dreams. These are the 4 broad categories that you can use to ask questions at any time until you find the treasure you're looking for. It's quite possible that you naturally gravitate towards one of these categories more than the others. And if that's you, then that's awesome. Use that as your go-to category whenever you're meeting new people. But if that's not you, if either one of them is pretty much equal, then feel free to just choose at random. The point is, you want to ask high-quality questions. For instance, I love asking questions in the category of dreams. I love asking entrepreneurs what they're working on, what they're excited about, any projects that are coming up that they're super pumped about. From there, I start looking for common ground. So I'm already starting in a category that I'm naturally drawn to, and I pick something that I would love to talk about and love to listen to someone talk about, so that already we're establishing some good rapport. So that's my go-to category. But of course, you can play around with any or all of these categories to find what works best for you. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. But before you go, my cue for you is this: which of the 4 categories do you like best? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, you're only one conversation away from changing your business and changing your life. See you in the next video. So like, do you own a parrot or something? Or maybe like an eye patch from Ye Olde shop? Hello? Hello?